What's up, everybody? So to let you guys know, this is a rental property, tenant moved out. There's some small things that we could have done better. As you know, we're always growing as investors, right? One of those small things we could have done better was bathroom accessories. As you guys can see here, right, see how it's loose, nice bronze towel holder, but we could have done some things a little bit better, right? As you look over here, this is loose, and then if you see over here, it's loose. What we should have did was we probably, honestly, should have just put more durable things, and maybe not have the nice lavish look, actually more durable. We actually can have actually in the studs, right, versus in the drywall. Because guess what? This is messed up. Now we have to change the drywall. We gotta get that repaired. We have the dry repair here. It caused more damage than actually meant for a good ROI for having these type of bathroom accessories versus having something that's more durable, like a handicap bar, something along those lines that can actually sustain long term for more tenants to come in the future. So quick little game for you guys.